my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Before we get into the nitty and gritty part of this video, I would love for you to go down below, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and get involved with the Abby Jahaira gang because we out here, you feel me? My background is actually kind of loud today because my mom is not letting me be great. She's watching her little Spanish novelas and all that extra stuff, so she's saying a lot of curse words in Spanish and being very excited. In this video, I'm going to be defining my curls, but specifically, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Is it the line? I'm only using two products from the line. So the first product that I'm using is the leave-in conditioner. And this has actually been one of my favorite leave-in conditioners for a very long time. This leave-in conditioner has been my go-to for my wash and goes. I usually use it with the curl enhancing smoothie, but I decided that I wanted to actually use it with the smoothie that was created for it. So today I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie along with the leave-in conditioner for this wash and go. I think it's funny that we call these things wash and goes because we don't wash and go. We have to wash our hair and kind of like add a whole bunch of products and style our hair, wait for it to dry so it can look like the way it's supposed to look like. So is it really a wash and go? Is it really? The first thing that I'm doing is, first and foremost, my hair is freshly washed and I divided it into 4 sections. So I had 2 at the front, 2 at the back. And basically what I'm doing is just taking each section and working in those pieces. First thing you want to do, grab some water, honey. If there's one thing that I've learned about successful wash and goes is that your hair must be drenched. Your hair has to be, well, my hair. Because everybody's hair is different, everybody's hair works differently. But I have to have super wet hair so that the products can apply properly. When my hair is wet, is when I feel like the products really work. Alright? Cue Rihanna. Work. You see me heavy work. You see me do me that. Drenching my hair with a whole bunch of water. Then I'm gonna take that leave-in conditioner. And I'm not taking like a heap of the product either. I'm just taking, what is that, a lot? Probably 2 index fingers worth of product. So it looks kind of like that. Warming it up in my hands, and I'm just gonna pass it in that entire section. Now, word of advice for these types of style, when you're adding some products and your hair is drenched, do not wear a nice shirt. Wear an ugly shirt because ain't no point. I'm not using any comb, any brush, anything like that for my hair. All we're using are our magic fingers, okay? The next product that you want to take is that smoothie. And I love this smoothie because it's on the thicker side. And like you all know, if you've been watching my videos, I love thick products like this because my hair drinks it up, okay? My hair just takes it all in. And I love that. I just feel like my hair is just like, give me more. My hair feels like it has like a pudding in it, you know? Like a smoothie. Is that why they call it a smoothie? Next step is to add our Eco Styler. And I'm actually using the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. It's almost done actually. I need to like restock on everything. I need shampoo, I need conditioner, I need Jesus. Basically, I kind of just like scoop with my hand and warm it up in my hands. And then I'm just going to put that all over that section, right? Make it look stiff. Stiff, right? Cool. Then I like to shingle and like run my fingers through. Let the curls kind of like clump up and let the gel get through. Because for me, for the most part, the gel is what does the magic, you know? The gel is what helps my hair kind of hold that definition and like do its thing, you feel me? And that's pretty much what I do. In the sections where I feel like I need a little bit more gel, I just grab some, apply it, and keep on going. Defined. Fine lemon lime. Love it. adding in our products. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving this Jamaican black castor oil smoothie and leave-in conditioner combo with the Eco Styler gel. Oh my gosh. I think I should have discovered this a long time ago because these products are not new. You know, they're in the same line. I should have probably tried this forever ago, but I didn't because I'm just so stuck on my curling enhancing smoothie. You know, I always did the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner and the curling enhancing smoothie with my Eco Styler gel, and that was usually how my curls would be popping. But I think I'm loving this Jamaican black castor oil smoothie. I think that this is it. Next step is to let my hair dry, but because it is like 9-10 o'clock at night and I gotta go to sleep soon, what I'm gonna do is diffuse a little bit or sit under the hooded dryer. Yeah, no, I don't feel like sitting under the hooded dryer. I'm gonna diffuse just enough for it to be dry enough for me to go to bed, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna let it continue to air dry if it's not dried by tonight, because y'all know my hair takes 5 ever to dry. It's the worst thing ever. But once it's dried and I'm feeling cute and I'm looking good and my makeup's done and you know we got the definition and the volume going on, I'll be back to show y'all that. All right? I wanted to give you guys some details because I feel like my hair came out way better than I expected as far as moisture and like fluffiness and the way my hair feels. All I did last night was let my hair air dry for a little bit, and then I diffused maybe for like 10 minutes before I went to bed. And then I put on my bonnet, which is like a really big bonnet. It's really huge. And I think this is what helped my hair lock in that moisture, because this is the first time that I felt my hair feel like this immediately after applying products and like diffusing and then going to bed. Typically my hair feels hard at first and then I have to put in some oils to break that cast, but not today. It feels good. It feels really good. As you guys saw, I used my pick to just add some volume in here, and that's it. I'm in love with my results. This is awesome.